Updating your billing address on Netflix is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. Follow the guide below to ensure your billing information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website and log in using your email address and password associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use sRogue to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Find membership and billing section. In the account settings, scroll down to the membership and billing section where you will find your current billing information. Step 4. Update billing address. Click on Update billing information or change billing address. Enter your new billing address in the required fields. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, make sure to save the changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. Once you have completed these steps, your billing address will be updated on Netflix. It is a good practice to check your account periodically to ensure all information is accurate.